Students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. So today we start technique number 4. Technique number 4 about discount. Discount, what is discount? It was given in the first video. And we consider technique number 4. We solve some problem in shortcutly. Within short time we can easily find, because our aim is to how to pass in any kind of competitive exam. So in shortcutly we can solve any kinds of problem. So I want to give some tips how to solve shortcutly. A merchant, technique number 4 given, a merchant fixes the mark price of an article in such a way that after allowing a discount of R%, he earns a profit of capital R%. Then mark price of the article is R plus capital R by 100 minus small r into 100% more than its cost price. So this is our formula. Then the mark price of the article is R plus R by 100 minus R into 100% more than its cost price. So this is our formula. Now we want to solve this problem. Let us consider one problem. After allowing a discount of 16%, there was still a gain of 5%. Then the percentage of mark price over the cost price is 15%, 18%, 21%, 25%. This is 25%, and it was said SSC CPO 2011. Now we have to find the value, then the percentage of mark price. So therefore here solution, what we get here, given small r discount, small r equal to 16%, and capital R equal to 5%. Therefore in shortcut formula, this is our formula: percentage so required percentage we can write, this is better, required percentage equal to small r plus capital R 100 minus small r into 100%. This one. So this one we get, and putting the values, we start from here. Small r is 16, this is 5, this is 100 minus 16 into 100%. And this is 21 by 84 into 100%. 21, this is 4 times 4, this is 25. So this will be 25%. So answer is 25%. This one answer. So option D, this is the correct option. Very easy solution. Just using this formula we get our result. Consider this problem. A shopkeeper sold an article at 20% discount and earned a profit of 4%. By what percent the mark price of the article more than the cost price of the article? So option given: 20%, 15%, 40%, 25, 30%. These are the option given. Now solution, we consider what are given here. Here discount is 20%, that means small r is 20%, capital R is 4%. By what percentage of mark price? Therefore required percentage equal to, our formula is small r plus capital R 100 minus small r into 100%. This is our formula, into 100%. R plus r, 100 minus r into 100%. So putting the values, r means small r means 20, capital R means 4. This is 100 minus 20 into 100%. And this is 24, this is 80, this 100%. So this 0 cancel, 8 3, then we get 30%. And this is our answer. Answer is 30%. Option E is the correct option. Consider another problem. A merchant purchases a wristwatch for rupees 450 and fixes its list price in such a way that after allowing a discount of 10%, he earns a profit of 20%. Then the list price of the watch is rupees 600, 650, 700, 550. So this one given. Now solution here. Discount given, small r equal to 10%, capital R equal to 20%. This one given, and CP given rupees, CP is 450. This one given. So required percentage equal to R plus R, 100 minus small r into 100%. And this will be R means 10, capital R means 20, 100 minus 10 into 100%. 100%. So this is 30, this is 90 into 100%. And this is cancel 100 by 3%. We get required percentage is this. Now again MP equal to CP into 100 plus 100 by 3 by 100. This one direct formula using, and CP given 450, and this is 300, 400 by 300. 0 cancel, and this is 15, and this will be 600. Answer is 600. So option A. These are option rupees 600. This is the MP. MP equal to rupees 600. This is our answer. So dear students, these are very easy solutions, very simple, very interesting. Just practice. You have to remember this formula. By using this formula, we can easily find the value. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. So if you are enjoying, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.